ForbesDVD.com.
Yeah, what it is, people, it's your boy Doggy Diamonds. I'm here with, let them know who you are.
They should know who I am. Just in case they don't, it's Ice Pack, Ill, Chill, who you know, cooler niggas smack. I get paid to make a fool of you.
So you took time off, you came back, Charlie Clips real quick.
Yeah, I took time off to get some things situated, you know, handle grown man problems, you know. But it's most definitely a blessing to be back in my A game, and you know, to come see the fans that been supporting me over the years, and really to give them performances that they've been looking forward to.
So is it a such thing as a tune-up battle for you? Because you came right back with the top niggas. You came at the Clips.
Yeah, it was a tune-up battle. It was a tune-up battle. The Clips was. Because they know they really couldn't play with me and give me nobody unless somebody was going to give me right back up. So shout out to Clips. Me and him had an epic. And I think me and Shine got busy. But I showed my ass. For sure.
Yeah, so what's next for you?
What's next for me? I had a King of the Dot, Blackout 4. Most definitely make sure y'all make it out if you can. That's January the 24th. Then I got Arsenal, March the 29th. Those are two things I got booked. I got the We the Family mixtape coming out. You know, shout out to the family. St. Louis, 1200 block. Shout out to Good Day, JB, Free Bird,
So Arsenal is in Jersey?
No, Arsenal actually in Chicago.
Wow.
Shout out to Grace.
So is that like middle ground for you? Is that like, not your hometown, but is that better for you?
No, it's not better. It's no more of an advantage. You know, the same thing to me. I just told somebody up here when I come to New York, I don't feel like it's biased. I feel like they show me that same love because at the end of the day, people that like this culture like bars.
Because a lot of niggas say New York is biased. You don't think New York?
New York ain't biased. You come with them bars. Come with them bars. It's real niggas everywhere. They not gonna let you come on the camera and just say anything. Come with them bars. I ain't never been booed up here. I ain't getting booed tonight. Not once. Sometimes you get them crowds, like I say with Verb coming here. When Verb coming here is different than when I come. That shit straight history, man.
Alright, so let them know you're on ForbesDVD.com.
You're on ForbesDVD.com. Young Kid, Ice Pack,
Hey, what's up? This is Doggy Diamonds from ForbesDVD.com. I need everybody out there to subscribe to the new YouTube channel. The new channel is Forbes DVD Promo. FORBEZ DVD PROMO.